Simple job to do this though. Absolute piece of cake. Welcome back fellas. The other day, right, I was on Google and I wanted something like rust prevention type things. I was looking at like wax oils, and one thing that kept coming up, right, was this stuff by Lanoguard.
Today's little job is I'm going to be applying something called Lanoguard.
And I found this Lanoguard. But yeah, I mean, I said I'll just do a genuine review on it.
It sounds too good to be true, in all honesty.
So we'll start the Sierra, then we'll do the Subaru. Let's get cracking.
That was literally 15, 20 minutes maybe.
Oh, apparently this stuff will like protect rubber and that, so you don't need to mask anything up. You literally just blast it on everything.
You spend all this money on them, you know, there's no point, you know, letting them rust.
The next morning, and overall I'm really impressed with this product. It is really good.
Simple job to do this though. Absolute piece of cake. There we go fellas, done and dusted. I've used pretty much all of it, but to be honest I went way overboard on the Subaru. Plus I spilt a load on my drive.
So if you're bored on a Sunday morning, that's what I do. Buy some Lanoguard, spray it on your truck. It will change your life.